Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set auto screen off and change it. Before starting the video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start. First you have to go to the settings option and then you have to go to the display and brightness. Then click on it. You will see, scroll down. Then you can see there is an option of auto screen off. You can just select it by choosing 1 minute or 2 minute options. This helps the screen to wait for more seconds and 3 to 4 seconds more. I hope this video will help you. If Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button and do comment also. Thanks for watching.